as you can tell by the title of the video, we have something pretty good today, and I'm a little excited about it. So today we're doing headlights on the Civic, and if you guys watched my previous video, you'll know that I said I didn't really want to heavily modify this car or do anything crazy to it. I'm still kind of on the fence about that, but I figured the best place to start would be cleaning up this front end a little bit. These headlights are really old and dirty and yellow and just not any good. So this is something that I figured you guys would enjoy because it's very inexpensive. These were about $75, $85 on Amazon, and I will leave a link below for those of you who are interested. They seem to be really good quality, but only time will tell. It does say made in China, and these are not OEM. So we're gonna install these today and see how it transforms the front end. Anybody can do this, super simple, shouldn't take us too long. I've seen people do it without removing the front bumper, but the easiest way to do it is removing the front bumper. So we're gonna try it without removing it and see how that works out. But let's get right into it. So this is the headlights right here. This is kind of how they come packaged. Obviously I've taken this one out, but they come like that. I've done headlights before on previous Civics that I've owned that you guys haven't seen on the channel, but they were packaged a little bit better than these. I mean, they were packaged good enough, and as you can see, they're pretty much the exact same style as the other ones. I didn't want to go with anything that looked aftermarket or kind of gaudy or anything like that. You guys know I like the OEM look, so we're gonna go ahead and dive right in to getting these old ones out, making sure we transfer the bulbs, all that good stuff. But basically, you're gonna have two bolts here. You're gonna have one that's underneath right here, and then also one more that's back here. Now, hopefully we can get away with just pulling the tab off back here, and then maybe a couple right here, and hopefully we can get away with that. But if not, we'll be taking the whole front bumper off. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I think we're going to be able to get away with not pulling the whole bumper off. As you can see, I've unscrewed it over here. I removed all of these tabs across the top. And so we can get our two bolts here. We can get to the other bolt there. And don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right in there. That one's going to be a little tricky, but I think we can do it. I think we'll be able to get it done like this, so let's keep going. Look at that. What a huge difference that makes. Makes the car look brand new. there you go, guys. That is how you make the front end of your EK Civic look brand new again, other than, you know, dents, paint chips. We'll ignore that. But that's how you make it look brand new for about $75. Now, I will say this. There are a ton of options. Not as many for the 96 to 98 as there were for 99 to 2000. You can get these, you can get full clear ones, you can get ones that have black housings. Tons of options, a lot of aftermarket and ricey looking stuff if you're into that kind of thing. But I went with these because they're the same as OEM and I like that. And now the front end of the car looks awesome. So if you guys are interested in picking these up, I will have a link in the description. I bought them on Amazon. They got here in 2 days. I believe it was like $85 shipped to my door, and I think it was money well spent because the car looks awesome. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos on the build series for this Civic. If you watch all of them, it'll make sense how we got to here. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.